Yeah, at the moment I'm watching news. Today is they announced that all the non-essential establishment will be closing. Yeah, establishments that will be open will be just the supermarket, hospital, clinics, and yeah, like restaurant, pubs, will not be. What is the English? Pubs, restaurant is going to be closed. Yeah, what will happen to the people like me who is working in the hospitality? It's alright. Yeah, most of these they're coming from the Emirates airline. Yes. Yeah, it is now. Wait. It is now 7:25. Let's open this. I don't know if you can see, but in the ground, you see those green grass? They have flowers, yellow flowers. Yeah, but like in the midday, because of the heat of the sun, they are gone. Yeah, and then in the morning, they will be that colorful again. Yeah, really entertaining. You know, the time is moving really quick. Look at that, it's already 11:24, and I want to make a coffee again. Yeah, let's wait 30 minutes, at least exactly 12 o'clock. Okay, you're going to put rice water here. That's it. Put some salt, chicken cubes, magic sarap. And I have this very dry ginger. Oh, that's it. Smells good. Yeah, I will just keep that in there to be totally cooked. Garlic. Good morning guys, it is now 10:10 and I'm preparing my breakfast, the egg, and outside it's like that, the flower again glowing. This is just egg, one piece of egg and slices of eggplant. Today is my 14th day of doing isolation. Yeah, so I never been outside for very long days, and I don't have food anymore here. This will be the last egg. I still have some here. Good that I have sugar. I have noodles. I can still do that. I have this, but maybe oh yeah, I can do that. Pasta and this chili con carne. And you know, yesterday was announced that all the restaurant pubs are closed already. I don't know. Yeah, and a lot of people are looking for a job now. A lot of people are asking for help from the CenturyLink, the government agency here in Australia who give financial support to those in need. I think people like me who are in the temporary visa are not included for those help, but you know, I'm not sure. Since I don't have any more creamer, we're going to use this milk. Yeah, I am not used of drinking coffee without milk or without creamer, so we're going to use this milk, frozen milk. What will happen? Ah, it's like this. Oh, not good. Not good. I will still drink that. It's okay. Finito. I'm at the moment cooking this. Is garlic, onion, oil, and chicken. This is the frozen tomato paste. Put there. A little more. Good morning, guys. It is 6:20 in the morning. Oh. 6:20 in the morning. Last night I sleep at 10 o'clock. No, 11 o'clock. That's why I wake up early. And the sun has just rise. And I'm preparing my breakfast. I already had a coffee, but I'm now hungry again. It is already 8:15. And now I can go outside because this is my 15th day here in Australia since I arrived coming from Dubai. Delicious. Yeah, as you notice, the cup is like that because I'm using the frozen milk. This one. Yeah. Not good. I'm going out later. I'm going to the grocery. Looks like it is going to rain outside. We are going outside actually. Yeah, we're going to bring this. Oh, I still have some stuff here. There's a coffee. Soap, napkin, a copy from the hotel where I stay in Dubai. Yeah, it's so good to be back. You know, it's been 15 days that I'm not using this electric bike. Amazing. Before we go to the grocery, we are going to roam around first because I really miss the place. Oh, there's so much people around. For me, it's the people that is making the place more beautiful. Okay, we go to the grocery now. Oh, look at that. As you can see, it's empty. Even here. We're going to take one of this big one because it lasts longer, so we always have something to eat. I'm going to take this one. I'm going to take one of these. And this creamer is very important. The frozen milk is not good. Yeah, we're going to take this 90 cents. We're also going to take one spaghetti. We're going to take this, one of this, some of this one. Yeah, also this is scrubber. Take one. Yep. Yeah, this stuff is putting some napkin, so it's good that I got one. Look at that. If you can see, there is the sign where you can stop. Yeah, nice. I got everything in the backpack except for these two, the tissue and the toothpaste. Nice.